let's get a pivot on here, press the tear, and we're gonna do our snacks. So, I've got some cashews. They just have to be raw, unroasted, unsalted, all that stuff, raw, organic or not. Then I've got some fresh blueberries. Get all those blues. But if you don't like blueberries, or for some reason all the blueberries don't look very fresh, you can always opt for something like blackberries too. So because this is a DIY version, it's pretty interchangeable. So just basically like any berry. I like the darker the better because the antioxidants are in the color of our food. So for blueberries, we have 45 grams. So let's measure out 45 grams. What I like to do is also just touch every single blueberry to make sure that they're not too soggy. This one's a little soggy, so I will save that for another time. Only because we are in a fasting state, we really want to savor every single bite of food. And so that's why I just want to make sure that every single blueberry that I eat is really enjoyable. So this is quite a bit, 45 grams. So you just keep doing that. So we're at 44, 46, 45.4. So you can go exact or 44.8, sure. Let's stick to that. Okay, so there are our blueberries. Then I'm gonna just simply reset, grab my cashews, do 18 grams cashews. There we go, 18.1. Perfect. And there it is, our beautiful snack.